So this window switch doesn't work, and I'd like to open it and clean the contacts, and hopefully it will work without needing to be replaced. So we have to start by removing the door panel, and there is one cover in here, a little plastic cover which you can get off with a small screwdriver, and there's a screw in there, and also there is one cover and a screw here that I've taken them off. And at this point, let me put my camera down. Okay, this can come off. It's hard to do the work and the filming at the same time. Next, I'm gonna work with this piece. Oops, where am I? Okay. And let's see if I can put the camera. So I'm gonna go behind this and just pop it straight on. And next I will need to go around the door, and I don't know from what point is it easier to start it. Maybe here on the inside. So yeah, I'm gonna put the camera down, and yeah, it seems to be good from here. And then I'll just go around and pull it open, all the clips. So I just went around and basically pulled all these plastic clips open. You can see them all around. And then at this point I just need to disconnect the door switch. You can press here. Okay. So and then inside the door panel, from underneath the switch, this is the body of the switch, we can release it by pressing on these tabs and removing the body out of its, oops, again I'll need to put the phone down. So it's easiest to go under here, press it up. Oops, I broke one side of it. So I'm going to remove these screws, and you can see these two tabs. And first, remove this whole housing. So there's this screw here too. I mean, it's springy, so it's probably not necessary to remove it, but I'll make it easier. Okay. Now you can see there are the two tabs on this side and two tabs on that side. So I'll just need to like put something in there, open it, something here, open it, and pull the middle piece out. Okay, once all these tabs are released, this middle piece comes out, and the same thing again. There are two tabs on each side that I should release them like that, and then oops. Okay, that. Okay. Okay. So you can see. No, I was on the wrong side. So yeah, basically what I did was lift these sides. And now we get to this piece. And again, 4 more tabs to get to the switch and the contacts themselves. Okay. I think one side should be good enough. Okay, let's see if there's any spring. Okay, one piece. Okay. So, not much is flying off here, except for those little white pieces that will go back in there. But for now, these are the contacts that are burnt and they're black, so I'll need to use some file or sandpaper to clean them, and maybe spray some electric contact spray, which I don't think I have. Okay, so this top piece also comes off. I mean, it's probably hard to see in the camera, but there's a little edge here that it goes behind it, and there's a little edge behind here that it goes under. So I'm gonna put this back after you know, I need to clean this side of it too. So I need to do the same thing, remove that and remove this end and clean both sides. Okay, so just a heads up, these can fly and be difficult to find them. So I'm gonna put this edge of it first, the curved part first under. Okay, I want to make sure I capture something on the camera. Okay. Okay. Like that. I mean, it's now a little bent. Okay. Okay. Now I want to remove this side. And I found some dielectric grease, so I may try putting some of that there too, and then I'll put everything back. Okay, so this piece is now cleaned and sanded. Now these two little plastic white pieces, they only go in this way. So in the slots in the other direction they don't fit, so it makes it easy to put them back. Sorry, the other way. Okay, and these 4 holes match these 4 pins. So all the 4 tabs are in place. Next is this one, which again there are 2 white tabs that are gonna go perpendicular to these white points, and okay, this side and this side. And then we can put this back in its housing here, and this part of it that has a place for the finger, oops, the other way, can be on this side. And I just need to press it in. Okay. Seems to be sturdy enough. I don't think the tab is broken. Oops. Okay. So the next step would be putting this back in here. Okay. It seems I broke this side, so it's gonna make it easier to go in. Okay. Let's see if I can turn it a little. Okay, it's fine. All right, you have these 2 screws in that one. Good. Now we just basically need to put it back in, make sure if any of these clips are out of place, put them back in and press everything in, and that should be it. The only thing I'd like to add is, so the pins are on the lower and side edges. There's no pin on the side. At the side we just have this this edge, which is gonna go inside this groove. So we should start at the top, put that in place, and then press the other clips back in place. And of course, don't forget the connector. Okay, everything is put back in place. Oops. And it doesn't work. Huh. Okay, I had to open it once again. Basically, these were bent such that it would go and stay there. It was basically becoming like an on-off switch. It was staying in contact there, so especially this one, so I had to change the curvatures a little bit so that basically it functions like that. So I'm gonna try it again. Okay, now it's working. Okay, now I'm gonna disconnect this again and put everything back together and connect it. It should be good.